Hi guys, I'm Maya and I hope you're well and happy and keeping busy, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple mask out of an egg box. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a stapler, a pair of scissors. Mine are very big, they don't need to be as big as this. Some masking tape or sellotape, some coloured pens, any colour will do, an egg box, a toilet roll, some newspaper and a piece of newsprint which has colour on it. Okay, so we'll move this out of the way. So what we're firstly going to do is we're going to get the scissors and we're going to cut the lid off. Now the lid is going to be your face, and this we're going to make our eyes and our nose out of this top half. So it's quite easy. I found it quite easy if you actually just rip or get someone to help you rip. So what you're ripping out is you're ripping out two top bits here and the long bit that sticks out that keeps the eggs in place, because this is going to become our eyes. Okay, so you get that. Really simple. And what you do with that is you then get and pop that back into the lid, get your stapler and staple it in place like so, and on the other side. So you get two eyes and a nose. Now take your toilet roll and cut halfway down. Please be careful when you do this that you don't cut yourself. We don't need that, so put that to one side. Then with this, the cut off bit, you need to cut halfway up in little slits like this. It doesn't matter what size they are, just as long as you cut them up. Put the scissors to one side and then open this up so they open up like that, and then press it down, a little bit of pressure, so it all opens up just like that. Can you see that? And then you get your sellotape and you add the sellotape or masking tape just around to the outside. A bit tricky here. And then you take it like so, and then you place it into your box. So now you have a mouth. So if we were to do hair, a really good trick on doing hair is if you take a piece of newspaper and as it because it folds over, fold it, and then if you pull it up like so, good piece of music going here, and then just cut down like so. Move this out of the way because we don't need this. And then if you get a piece of masking tape, one that preferably doesn't open up like that, and pop it down. This is quite tricky, so you might need some help with this. And you take your pieces of newspaper and you just lay them over the top like so. I think we'll have another one in here. And then you take that and stick that down the side. So now he has hair. Now we're going to add some eyes. Just going to pop some masking tape in here. And another bit of masking tape in there. I'm going to take my black pen and I'm going to draw my eye inside here with a pupil. Another pupil and a nostril and another nostril, and with my piece of coloured paper I'm just cutting out a bit of colour and rounding it off down the end, taking another piece of masking tape or sellotape and just sticking that inside, and there we have your mask. And if you want, you can make him some friends. Have fun. Bye.